Hey, take a picture.
Seriously, how did he even get down there?
Just keep it up. Just keep your pencil. No, keep the phone in your pocket.